Canada, the second largest country in the world by land area, is known for its breathtaking landscapes, cultural diversity, and a strong sense of community. It is located in North America and shares its southern border with the United States. Canada's history is deeply rooted in its Indigenous peoples, who lived here for thousands of years before European contact. In the late 15th century, explorers like John Cabot and Jacques Cartier arrived, marking the beginning of European colonization. Canada became a battleground between France and Britain in the 17th and 18th centuries. The British gained control after the Seven Years' War, and the country remained a British colony until its gradual independence. On July 1, 1867, Canada became a self-governing dominion through the Confederation, uniting Ontario, Quebec, New Brunswick, and Nova Scotia. Over time, other provinces and territories joined the Federation. Today, Canada is a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary democracy. It gained full sovereignty with the Constitution Act of 1982. Queen Elizabeth II remained its symbolic head of state until her passing in 2022. Canada spans 6 time zones and boasts a diverse geography, including mountains, forests, prairies, and tundra. It is bordered by 3 oceans: the Atlantic, Pacific, and Arctic. The country experiences a wide range of climates, from Arctic conditions in the north to temperate weather in the southern regions. Canada is rich in natural resources like timber, minerals, and freshwater. It also has vast oil and gas reserves. Key cities include Toronto, Vancouver, Montreal, Ottawa, the capital, and Calgary, each with its unique charm and economic importance. Canada's culture is a mosaic of influences, reflecting its Indigenous heritage and immigrant population. Canada has 2 official languages, English and French, due to its colonial history. Indigenous cultures, including First Nations, Inuit, and Métis, play a vital role in Canada's identity. Efforts are ongoing for reconciliation and preserving their traditions. Canada has a mixed market economy, with industries like technology, natural resources, and agriculture playing major roles. Canada boasts a high-quality education system and is home to world-renowned universities. Canada has a publicly funded health care system, ensuring basic medical services for all residents. The country is home to many national parks, such as Banff and Jasper, preserving its natural beauty. Canada has diverse wildlife, including polar bears, moose, beavers, and whales. Celebrations like Canada Day, Winterlude, and the Calgary Stampede highlight Canadian culture and traditions. Canadian cuisine features dishes like poutine, butter tarts, and maple syrup-infused delicacies. Ice hockey is Canada's national sport and a significant part of its culture, alongside lacrosse and curling. Canadian authors like Margaret Atwood and artists like Emily Carr have gained global recognition. Canada has a thriving entertainment industry, producing stars like Celine Dion, Drake, and Ryan Reynolds. The Niagara Falls, Rocky Mountains, and Northern Lights are among Canada's natural treasures. Canada is one of the world's most immigrant-friendly countries, welcoming people from diverse backgrounds. The federal system divides powers between the national and provincial governments. The red and white maple leaf flag and the national anthem, O Canada, symbolize unity. Canada is committed to environmental conservation and combating climate change. It is a leader in technology and innovation, particularly in artificial intelligence and clean energy. Millions visit Canada each year to explore its natural and urban attractions. Canada is known for its contributions to international peacekeeping and diplomacy. Its diversity is its strength, with over 200 ethnic origins represented.